Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will going to learn how to check our exist file, check the source, whether the source it has the file that we need in order to truncate and load the file to my destination. This process is very useful in case if you want to truncate your destination, you don't want to do that before you are checking your source. If it's your source exists, okay, I'll going to truncate and load my data to my destination. In order to do that, before that, I am going to show you my example. I will going to work on this table that has the name column, and my source will be this file, Excel file. You can use a flat file. This process work with a flat file, XML, Excel. So this is my source here. So let's go back here, and I'm going to use a script task. In a script task, I will going to write down a script that's to check my file if it exists. I will going to truncate and load my data. In order to do that, I'm going to create three variables. The first one is the file path here. It's called folder path. The second one, it's the file name, which is here. Let me come here and copy the whole file with a suffix called server name. And if exist. This is my other variable that I use it to check my file. Here, I'm going to use the expression, and in expression, I will say if exist variable equal to 1, so move on to the next task, because so far it's by default it's 0. Okay, let's go to now to my script task. And let's select for reading only the file name and the folder path. And for the writing, I need only the if exist variable. Using the C#, I will going to create or build my query to check my source first. Before that, I need to enable one of the functions that I needed here. Okay, it's called ISS.io. Let's come here to my main page. First of all, I will going to define my whole path. Let's call it file full path is equal to the folder variable plus the file name variable. So dts dot variables. Let's go here. No, sorry. Yeah, dts dot. It's weird. Why is not come up? Yeah, now it's come up. Variables. The breaks here. Folder path dot value dot toString. Okay, plus, is there something wrong here? I'm not sure. No. Plus here the file name. Okay, here file name variable, and let me close it like this. Now I will say if file dot exist. I'm looking for this file. If it exists, what I need is I need to define the variable if exists dts dot variables if exist the value is equal to 1. Okay, if it exists, I need you to if exist variable equal to 1. Let's save it and let's exist. Press OK. Secret contained in the package have. Do you want to continue? No. What error it does have? Oops. I hope there is no error. Let's save it. Go back here. Press OK. And now let's check our package. If the file exists, it will going to truncate and load it. If it does not, it will stop at that task. See guys, here it's showing the file. It's there, so it's proceed the process. If it's, for example, let's test our work. If I change the file name here into 1, let's see if it works. And save it all. That's okay. Let's see if it's gonna truncate my. No, it doesn't, because the file does not exist. This is a new file, and let's go here and check it. It's not being truncated. So this is how we are checking our source, whether the file exists or not, before we are loading our data to the destination. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video, and see you for next videos. Thank you.